Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rewrite the Stars on the flute. First, ensure your flute is correctly assembled and tuned. Next, familiarize yourself with the fundamental fingerings for the notes used in the song, such as G, A, B, C, D, and E. Practice producing a consistent, controlled airflow. This foundational work is crucial for achieving clear, beautiful tones throughout the piece. Now let's tackle the main melody. The song often begins with a prominent G note. Pay close attention to the rhythm, accurately counting quarter notes and eighth notes to maintain the correct tempo. Practice each phrase at a slow pace, ensuring every note is clear, sustained, and flows smoothly into the next. This careful approach builds accuracy. To truly bring Rewrite the Stars to life, focus on dynamics and expression. Experiment with varying your breath support to achieve softer and louder passages, adding emotional depth. Consider using a subtle vibrato on sustained notes to enhance their warmth and resonance. Connecting your musical phrases smoothly will create a beautiful, lyrical flow, making your performance truly captivating. Consistent practice is key. Aim for daily sessions of about 15 to 20 minutes, focusing on specific sections. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas that need more attention. Finally, performing for friends or family can significantly boost your confidence and help you refine your musical interpretation, preparing you for any audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.